guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we have not done an actual hair, a specific hair video in a very long time, but I wanted to come and walk you guys through how I got my hair like this. Hello, it is beautiful. It is yaki straight from Nadula Hair. It is a V-part. It is insane. It's like this ombre, beautiful brown, like this copper brown color. It is so pretty. Y'all, I feel like Beyonce. Am I Beyonce? Okay, hello? I feel like it is so pretty. I have done lighter colors like this before, but it just ain't hit the same. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna walk you guys through how I get the hair from the bag that it was delivered in to my head to make it look like this. So anyway, guys, let's hop in. Y'all, so this hair is by Nadula Hair, and honestly, I am so pleased with it. Look at this color, okay? Y'all, this color is everything that I feel like I needed and wanted. If you can't tell, I'm loving it. So first and foremost, you're gonna cut off that piece on the inside. Then I went ahead and co-washed the hair with Aussie Moist. It's just my conditioner that I always use. I went ahead and hung it up, and I wanted to just kind of comb it out and get it ready for me to install on my head.
But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her.
So to ensure the hair and the entire wig is fully dry, I just flipped it on the inside, inside out, and I'm just blow drying it, the actual cap, just to make sure we are good there. And then blow drying the rest of the hair, as well as just kind of cutting off some of the loose straggly ends. There wasn't a done, but I could notice them, so I just wanted to kind of shape it up a little bit. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm framing the face right here on both sides, of course. I just feel like this makes the biggest difference, and just looks really, really natural when you're wearing it. As I was blow drying the hair, and then I started blow drying my own hair, y'all, when I tell you the blend was so nice. Now you're gonna see that I'm gonna go in with a flat iron, but I just wanted to show you guys that you have versatility when wearing this hair, just because it is the yaki texture, which matches best with African American hair. Okay, so my black girls, this is the texture for us. Okay, hello. So if you have a hair type like mine, which is 4B 4C, I highly recommend you to check out yaki hair. Also, just again, one more time for this color. Okay, this color is everything. Okay, so for this install, I literally just clipped it on to some anchor braids that I have on my head. Y'all, the braids don't need to be nothing crazy for real. It just 2 braids that you can clip it down to or sew it down to. Okay, so at first, when I was first wearing this hair, I was clipping it to those parts, and then I started sewing it down. So just in case you're wondering, that's what's kind of happening here. That's how I get the wig to get and stay on my head. Okay, so now, of course, as you see, it's the next day, and I am just going to go ahead and flat iron my hair just to have that sleek look. Okay, that seamless look that I'm going for. But as you guys could tell with the blow dryer, that texture matches my blow dried hair. So again, if you don't want to straighten your hair a ton, this is a great option for you.
That'll make her feel better. Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
Okay, and can we talk about something for real, y'all? Where are all these grays coming from? When I tell y'all, these gray hairs in my doggone head, they're always in the center of my head. So my middle part is toast, okay? But I talked to my stylist, and she said we can do a little rinse or something, to turn those gray hairs, I like brown. But I want to know, what are you guys doing about the gray hairs? Hello? Make
her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
I will admit, mention, y'all, the reason why I am loving V-Parts recently is just because, one, I'm gonna be so for real, I hate sitting down getting my hair done for hours and hours and hours, and that's usually what a sew-in does for me, though I love a good sew down, okay? But when it comes to V-Parts, I love it for several reasons, because I can do my own braid down really quick, super easy. Again, there's just like 2 small anchor braids at the top of my head. The rest is just a whole bunch of plaits, y'all, okay? Or a whole bunch of, you know, braids onto my head. And then another reason why I love V-Parts is because you can style it and it's gonna stay that same style. When you do a sew-in, of course, you're taking the bundles out, putting them back in, taking the bundles out, putting them back in. And so it's just nice to have the same style to stick across the boards. I just wanted to mention that as of why I have been absolutely loving V-Part wigs. All right, guys, so that is the overarching review and details of the hair, y'all. If you cannot tell, I am loving the hair. Okay, I feel like my good sis Beyonce. Okay, it is stunning. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the color. I love the texture. The other day, I literally wore this hair. Both my hair and this hair were blow dried, and the blend was like literally perfect. This is like the density. I'll put all the details down below in the description box per usual, you guys. But yes, if you were looking for like an unsponsored version of this hair was not sponsored. I bought this with my own money simply because I wanted it. But even if, I just have to add a disclaimer, even if it was sponsored, I would be honest with you guys, okay? I will always be honest with you guys. So Nadula Hair, if y'all want to sponsor me next time, then let's talk, okay? My email is in my description box. All right, amen. Anyway, you guys. I love you guys to the moon and back. If this video was helpful for you guys, let me know by subscribing and giving this a like. And if you have any questions about the hair at all, when I tell y'all there was like very minimal shedding, I did just trim the ends. The hair is like so long, like it is so long, but I did here to get it long. See, it's like below my boob, but I did here to get it long because like the ombre part, that's where it really like shines through, is on the hair that is longer. So that's why I went ahead and got, I think it's like a 22, but again, I will put this in the description box for you, all the details. I think it's a 22 inch, but I'm not sure. So anyway, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and I will see y'all there and in the next video. All right, bye y'all.